Japan experiences more earthquakes than any other place on the Earth. Right now, at the time of making this video, there have been 773 earthquakes of magnitude greater than 1.5 in the past 365 days. On average, about 2,000 earthquakes take place in Japan every year. Good news is you won't even notice most of these as they're just small tremors. However, sometimes you get the big ones too, and they can be very destructive. Especially if they happen below the ocean and tsunami gets formed. But why is this happening? Tectonic plates. Those big plates that just float on the surface of the Earth and we just exist on the top of them. They move and hit each other, and that's how you get earthquakes. Japan happens to be located right at where 4 of them meet, so that's why there is a lot of seismic activity. So, why would anyone want to live in a place where you can expect destructive earthquake anytime? I mean, except for vending machines, cool toilets, amazing technology, futuristic cities, cherry blossoms, and Japanese cuisine. Japanese are simply used to and well prepared for earthquakes. Japanese children start learning how to protect themselves in case of earthquake in kindergarten. All the buildings are built to be able to withstand strong quakes. All the phones have earthquake alert software pre-installed, and trains automatically stop when earthquake is detected. We can't fight the nature, so our only choice is to adapt, and I think Japanese have done that well.